I want to make a wooden dice with 10 sides for a party game. Because I never done it before, I will start to draw the shape in SketchUp. If you are interested to see how to draw a decatur in Google SketchUp, please check my other video with detailed explanations. Click on this thumbnail or check the description below. With this sketch, I can begin the woodworking. First, I cut a piece of wood to have a 10-sided block. A bit of sanding helps to make the surfaces even better. Now we cut this block to the proper length, equal to the diameter. It looks really good. My sketch helps me a lot to obtain the right dimensions and proper angles for cutting. We have two central lines for the upper and the lower faces. Just mark the center and ready to cut. For the upper faces, the cutting line must connect the center on the top and the upper central line on the side of the wooden block. We fix the block with some screws. This is very important to obtain an accurate cut and to avoid any injuries. After every cut, the piece must be turned around to the second face. Now the upper side is ready. For the other faces, I decided to make a 5-sided hole in a piece of wooden board. In this way, I can fix the piece of wood easily and safely. After a few more cuts, the dice is ready for sanding. It looks better and better. Let's carve some numbers on the faces with a proper carving knife. I want to make the edges and the numbers dark, so I burn them. Finally, I will sand all the faces to have a contrast with the dark edges and the numbers. Last time, the whole dice will be coated with wax varnish to have this nice look. Thanks for watching. A like would be a great help for